Hello and welcome to Gardening with Ben. It's the 1st of January. We're back in the new year and hopefully a healthy new start to this year. So much has happened last year, but fingers crossed we're off to a fresh start this year. I've not recorded a podcast for quite a while now, for at least over a month, as I've been busy with work and also Christmas has got in the way and just other things what I've been getting involved with at the moment as well. So we're hopefully going to be recording these regularly again. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my new episodes what I'm releasing. So in this episode today, we're going to be talking about all the things that we've been doing in the last month. As like I said, I've not done this for a month. I've been too busy. So let's catch up and talk about what we've been up to on our plot. So over the last month, what have I been up to? My main things down at the plot have been pruning. I've been pruning my apple trees and my pear trees as they were getting out of hand and getting too tall. My cooking apple tree grew absolutely massive this year. Why it grew so big in a year, I don't know, but it shot up. So I pruned all that back to a reasonable height as we only allowed them so high on the allotment and we've got to keep them manageable as well. So I pruned all that back. My other main job, which I've been doing, is I've been clearing all my plot and getting it all ready for next year as I'm redesigning it all. I'm relaying all the beds, I'm relaying all the paths. Each year I like to take it all up and scrap it all and start from scratch. I don't scrap all the wood, I save all the wood. But I take all the beds out, all the paths out. I like to dig it all over and make it look fresh and tidy for the new year. Usually I'm leaving it till the last minute in March, but this year I'm ahead of things, so fingers crossed I can get more projects sorted. So it'll be a case of re-putting the beds back in once I've finished clearing and getting them all painted up in the springtime to make them look nice and to help preserve the wood as well. So that's my key thing to do. And I've also been taking cuttings of my geraniums. I've tried that for the first time. I've recorded it. So if it's worked, I will share the video. If it's not worked, I won't share the video just in case. So fingers crossed they do take. My cuttings from my lavender plants, they've all taken root. So I'm really pleased with that. It's the first time that I've tried that. So I've got lots more lavender plants coming next year, fingers crossed. Well, this year. I'm already losing track of time. And also, all my spring bulbs are starting to pop up through the ground. They're all looking brilliant, and I can't wait to see what they'll look like in the springtime. It's going to be amazing the amount of bulbs that I planted. I must have planted at least over 1,000 bulbs on my plot. So I've just purchased a new camera as well to do all my filming and photographs with, and you will be able to see them on a regular basis because I'll certainly be taking plenty of pictures of them. So I'm looking forward to that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this year. I'm going to be trying some new plants out. I'll talk about that in another episode, but I'm going to be trying some new stuff out, so you've got to stay tuned for that. And also, I'm going to be planting a few seeds this month. In my next couple of episodes, I'm going to be talking about what seeds to plant this month and what jobs to do on the allotment this month. If you've not seen them on my website, I'll be talking through them about it. And what I'm going to be planting is I'm going to be planting my peppers and also my chilies, as they need as long as possible to grow. So you need to be starting them off in January if possible. And if you've not got a heated greenhouse, you'll have to start them off indoors. But if you've got a light, warm room, that is perfect to start your seeds off. So get them started this month and get them growing. Also, I'm going to be starting my sweet peas off. I'll be sharing a video on that, how to do it. So if you're not following me on YouTube, check out Gardening with Ben. And I'm going to be posting absolutely loads of videos. You'll get sick of it because I've got this new camera. I'll be using it all the time now. So check out my YouTube channel and subscribe to that. So yeah, these podcasts will be back on a regular basis. I've been adding them to more platforms in the background, and also checking the stats out of where people are watching them. It's great to see that people are watching them in Canada, while listening to them in the UK, in France, America. It's brilliant. And I also received a message from a friend today who lives in Canada, and he said he'd just stumbled across it by chance and he's been listening to them. So a shout out to you. So thank you for listening and sending me a message. If you are listening, feel free to send me a message on my Instagram or Facebook page, Gardening with Ben. I will reply to you, and it's always good to see who's listening. And if you've got any questions, I'll try and answer them in my podcast as well. So feel free to send me a message. So in the meantime, thanks for listening, everybody. I'm looking forward to doing more podcasts again. And as always, remember, keep gardening.